Hey sisters and brothers, let's get into the product Quiz Target. Okay, so I am in the members area now. In this video I will show you a detailed review about Quiz Target. I will give you a detailed overview of Quiz Target and I will show you my bonuses, this kind of bonuses I am giving you, and this is an approximate value. My bonus value is more than this. I have written here an approximate value inside this title, but I will tell you why this is an approximate value. And let me now start through Quiz Target dashboard. Okay, so Quiz Target is all about like lead generation, getting leads, getting customers data, consumers data easily and playfully. Okay, you can get any email ID, any mobile number, or social media handle, personal social media email IDs, or kind of such kind of things easily by playing some quiz. Okay, so this tool is all about that, and this tool has so many features, and let me clear you one by one. So there is nothing much to show you inside this, but once you have inside this dashboard, but once you have brought this product after purchasing it, this done, there will be some done for you given quizzes. Okay, these are looking so much same because this is a review version, but on your version there will be different given quiz pages. Okay, and you can and that will save your time very much, and you can easily just start by clicking and just activate it. Okay, or such kind of that. Okay, now let me start with add a new quiz. Once I have clicked on add a new quiz, okay, they are giving four options. Number one is assessment, next personality, and the next one is scored, and the last and the fourth one is pool. Okay, so the first one is assessment. Kind of this is kind of you can ask any quiz based on any topic, and inside personality you can ask you can done a quiz campaign. You can do a quiz campaign based on any personality, kind of superheroes, and inside this code section you can easily do a quiz formation, a quiz play by giving them points. And in the poll section, as you already know, these are all totally based on votings or percentage, kind of that. Okay, so let me start with assessment. Okay, I have to put any quiz name. Okay, let me choose a random name. Let me click on assessment. So once I have clicked on assessment, as you can see, there are so many given templates already. They can save your time huge. And you can see that these templates are already so much premium. Let me show you any of them. Okay, let me click on preview. Okay, this is taking time, and you can see these are very much premium looking, and you can easily use them in any of your quiz campaign. Okay, so let me start with create from scratch. Once I have clicked on create from scratch, there is a progress bar is running on, and the magic happens from here. As you can see, this is a totally drag and drop built-in version. Okay, my English is not good. I am a poor English speaker, but I'll try to cope with my English. Okay, cause I am trying to give you the every detail from every aspect, and try to cope with little bit my English. Okay, so as you can see, there are already 2 questions have been given, and you can add your questions easily. So many quiz questions, and you can just place them as you want. Okay, so after placing them, you can just connect them easily by just doing this 2 clicks. Okay, so you can also also use lead generation forms. Okay, and you can just easily make any quiz map easily, and you can also use a CTA window to direct your traffic to any kind of identical websites on your websites, your social media account. Okay, you can use this call to action windows also. So after doing everything, you can make it publish easily. And once this is not publishing because I have not made all of the paths. Okay, so let me choose all of the paths before. So this is not okay. Let me delete some of them. Okay, I am misplacing. I am just rushing, that's why this is not deleting and wrong things are happening. Okay, let me delete some of them. Okay, so before publishing, let me show you that you can easily decorate any of the quizzes by clicking these buttons. Okay, after clicking this preview section, you can just put here your what is your age, or you can easily put your question here, your image here. You can upload your image, or you can make it more premium, more crafty. Okay, and you can save it. It is very easy to just make the quiz good looking, and also to save your time. Okay, so let me close it and let me publish it. Sorry, all of the node output, sorry, let me put here one more thing. Okay, so delete it. Sorry. Okay, yes, this is the result. Okay, so I think this time it will go right. Okay, I have put here, and let me publish it now. Okay, it is not okay, I don't know what is the problem inside it, but let me just show you from the given templates, or given already done for you quizzes. Okay, so let me just show you any of them. So these are the some given. Okay, sorry, so these are the review, and let me show you. They are giving more than, they are giving kind of 6 and into 1 2 3 4 5 30 plus auto responding integrations feature, and also you can get from all of the popular integration features inside it, and you can run a quiz campaign easily with this tool once you have brought this tool. Okay, so if I can show you, they are giving this kind of facility: social sharing facility, pop-up facility. You can run it as pop-up window, as on your website, or your social media handles. Okay, and you can easily get the people are like to play. Okay, and pandemic has captured people inside their home, their houses. That's why people are more prone to play on their mobile phones. That's why once you have run these kind of quizzes, you can easily get their emails, get their choices. Okay, you can run these quizzes based on any niches, and you can get the targeted people easily and instantly. Okay, so and now let me show you my bonuses and what I am giving you. Okay, so all of the people are doing same thing. They are giving ebooks to capturing leads, but what you can do, that you can go through a unique way, and Quiz Target may be the way. Okay, so this tool is literally insane, and this tool has so many features and facilities, as I've already showed to you, and maybe some of them I can't show you. And these settings, they have so many features. Maybe I have just overlooked some of them, and okay, or kind of that. They have integrations, they have, okay, they are giving so many, more than 80 plus languages. Okay, so also they have good setting features. You can customize your any template. You can just for change the font or everything. Okay, that's why I have given in feature and facilities 99%, and performance is also good. This tool is literally very fast, and ease of use is little bit lower, because the ease of use is totally inversely proportional with feature and facilities. As the feature and facilities are more and more, that's why ease of use is little bit lower. And value for money, it has got 93%, because it is the regular price is $37, as you can see, and market hits it has got 96%, and in overall section it has got 9.6 out of 10, which is super excellent. And I never consider market hit inside the overall section. Okay, so the regular price comes at $37, and commercial price comes at $47, and they are giving also early bird pricings. And this is the best thing, you can get this tool. You can get this tool easily with the most cheap price. Okay, you can get $30 off. Okay, that means you can get it within $17 or $7. Okay, for first day, and then in the day 2 they are giving it 25 off, and the third day they are giving you $20 off. Okay, This is literally insane. I have not seen such kind of off or such kind of discount giving any of the softwares before. Okay, so once you have missed the chance, I don't know what to say, or will you be repenting, I don't know exactly. So this is the launch period, as you can see, and they are giving also 30 days money back guarantee, and you can just playfully easily get any kind of leads with this tool. This tool is literally deserving. Okay, so there are some key features, and every description has been written here on this page, and you can easily go through this before purchasing this. But I recommend you highly that don't waste your time. You can, if you want to earn online good, then you should purchase this tool. Okay, so these are my word. I strongly recommend any marketers. Okay, because people are most prone to play. Our brain has been made, scientists are already, the research have showed us that our brain has been made to play, and our brain like to play. That's why people can easily waste their time, or people can give their time to play quizzes. That is the way, and that can trigger them. Okay, that is why you can get the easy information and also the data from people easily with these quizzes. Okay, so these are the front end product price, as I have already said to you. And Quiz Target Pro is coming on $97, and this has also a light version, $67. You can go through these descriptions by visiting this page, by clicking the video description link. Okay, and this is the Done For You Club, which costs $47 quarterly. Okay, so you can go through these description also. And the next one is Quiz Target Agency License, which costs $97, and you can go through all of the descriptions by visiting this page. I don't want to make the video lengthy. It has been already lengthy. It has become already lengthy. Okay, so this has also a 47 down sales, 40, and the last one is Quiz Target White Label. So that means you can resell this product. You can do whatever you want to do with this product by getting the White Label license. Okay, so this is a high ticket product, kind of $270, and also you are getting it $497 downsell and upsell. So these are the bonuses. That was one of the main purposes of me to show you the bonuses inside this video, because I have collected these bonuses from so many days, and I want to give you totally free with this product once you have bought the product. Okay, so I think there will be very few person who can give you such kind of bonuses. Okay, so as you can see, I have showed some examples of 50 bonuses, and after that I was literally become very tired, and I don't want to waste your time, and also don't want to waste my time also. That's why I have put here 300 plus bonuses as mega bonuses. That means you are getting totally 350 bonuses from my side, totally free. Okay, so those bonuses are also stuffed with softwares like PDFs, plugins, SEO stuffs, okay, case studies, video case studies, and also recently I have put there so many kind of 10,000 plus images and kind of 25 plus background musics, which are totally license free. You can easily use them on your content. Okay, so these kind of bonuses will be given to you totally from my side free, and I don't know anyone or any people can give you that kind of bonuses. Okay, I am collecting this from so many days. You can check outside everywhere. Okay, so that will be given to you from my side totally free once you have brought the product from my side. Once you have brought the Quiz Target front end product from my side, which costs only $27. Okay, so what you have to do, that after purchasing the product, you have to go through your purchase history, and there you can get this access affiliate bonuses link, and you can go through you can go through my affiliate bonuses. Okay, it will be given to you totally free from my side. Okay, so this button can redirect you to the product and also the bonuses. So this was an overview of the product, and I am signing out for the day. So bye bye. So I am wrapping up.